to visit one of the mosques in our community and to know how the iftar is taking shape. So we would like to interview one or two persons. Inshallah, my colleague Zulaihat Chineye will continue from here.
Igbo. While we are busy fighting ourselves because of Christianity and traditional religion, there comes from behind a new religion. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mamas and papas, I bring into you Igbo Muslims. Watch the video.
To visit one of the mosques in our community and to know how the iftar is taking shape. So we would like to interview one or two persons. Inshallah, my colleague Zulaihat Chineye will continue from here.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers in Islam.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ta'ala.
My name is Lehat Haruna Chineye.
My name is Hassan Ali from Igbo South, Ibagwaka, precisely in Enugu State.
Yeah. So please, what do you have to tell us about today's second day of Iftar?
Today is the second day of Ramadan. I'd say everything is going smoothly. You can see the environment that people have wait to have their fast break, but today being the second day of the Ramadan, inshallah.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Okay, I'm Lehat Haruna Chineye. I'm Monye Bawaka. This community. So we go we're gonna be
Ambo Alaji Lawa.
I'm telling you, like, one tab second day of Ramadan. Dere ko shia ejuwe ho. Le chuku hara rute ahwanwo. Ikechi munya, kechi komenta. Tena be kpere inwe ni sho nwe ni shinda aluma.
Ekpere nwere chi onwe mu ni chi aluma. Anmayo no chiku. Be chiku wurutere mu ahụnwa. Okechi munya, kechi komenta. Nda aluma bide ha mbebere he adua. Chuku kwe ka anyị bidoro ankechi ọnụ na bismillah. Ka woman alhamdulillah.
Thank you.
Myself, I'm from this community. I'm by name Ede Mohammed.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Today is second day of Ramadan. I want to know how you feel today being the second day of Ramadan.
Yes, that is true. Today is the second day, and being what I've been into for so long, I don't think I feel anything. I feel so happy.
I am Fatima Binta. Then.
So, gonna be here in the rain. Gonna be in the rain here. You must want to have the second day of Ramadan.
Yem Nerebu Master. So we say Master Ramadan. So we are preparing it for people to come and buy it to break their fast. Majority in the mad, he went behind a good day, the master. But cannot adore you will break fast.
A foreign will issue Maluma. Who I am sure you know similar. I a make alhamdulillah. And the one of them is purple. Kind more Shachuya K. Yai Ogondo, Nikoma Hai to make good day in Apple Wild. Umuna does a will be Chukuba. The moon woman had no one Ramadan. But I don't know and I is okay this year. More will get so my I don't know. I must get this lesson. I is so. Indeed, I'm after like. So I'm not too guy push in Islam. But I only Islam no wow. I'm a Musa Ibrahim. That's what that is. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Yeah, Musa to the night. Guy, I don't know, do every time we move the Arab was don't walk on that 15 days. One of was my brother. I thought you
and I'm gonna be able to allow my see me back.
Okay. Ibrahima Abdullah Memugo Ilada Uka ko lada nke power eshiri kwa kele chukwu because all these onye chukwu mmiri last year ọkụghọta ma chukwu worute this year. In fact ọ bụ obere ihe anyị kelechiri chukwu ike wee na-arịọ chukwu kwa eme ka o chiri ewo time this year lafiya ya wụrụ anyị bụ the ending lafiya so ya mụ na-asị ya nwa muslimi alhamdulillah.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi sister.
Wa alaikum salam.
Biko gịnị bụ aha?
Aha m bụ Sefia Ibu Tijaba.
Okay, biko ahụ m na-eri ihe n'ihu masallaci mgbe nke ọnụ. Biko ana m agada na m ahụ dị ihe na-ere. So gịnị bụ the purpose of selling here?
Mgbe ime m jere ya maka ndị na-eke isi ọnụ. Jere m the business.
Ramadan Kareem is a great month out of the 12 months Almighty Allah have created. Among the 12 months is the greatest month. Ramadan fasting is one of the best 5 pillars of Islam. Among the 5 pillars of Islam, we have Shahadat, we have Salat, then Siyam. That is fasting. So for that, as we start the fasting, Bismillah, may Almighty Allah accept our fasting and make us to finish or to accomplish with Alhamdulillah.
Assalamu alaikum ya jama'atul muslimina maza da mata, muna murna da farin ciki da wannan wata mai albarka da Allah ya komo wannan wata razumi na wata Ramadana. Muna roƙon Allah alkhairin da ke ciki Allah ya sada mu da su saboda wannan wata mai albarka ne. Wannan musulmai duk duniya suna farin ciki da wannan wata. Kuma wannan wata ne wanda aka sauko da alkur'ani mai girma a wannan wata. Musulmai na farin ciki, ana yin gafara a wannan wata, ana ba da aljanna a wannan wata, ana ba da duniya da lahira a wannan wata. Duk abin da kake so ka gaya ma Allah direct, da rabu da boka da wani abubuwa ka tsaya ma Allah, Allah zai maka albarkacin wannan wata mai albarka insha Allah. Allah ya biya mana bukatu.
Yes, my name is Ahmed Tijani Obinna.
Today is second day of Ramadan. So tell me, how do you feel being around and again Allah has saved your life for you to witness today's second day of Ramadan. So tell me, what is your wish and your prayer for yourself and Aluma?
Yeah, my main wish on this Ramadan is like a big honor to me because it's not easy to be a Muslim. And one thing about this Ramadan, it brings us together, pray together, laugh together. So to me, it's the greatest honor to me to be a Muslim.
My prayer today goes to all the Muslim Ummah that fasted for this second day. May Allah grant our heart desire, and may it be of benefit in this world and the day hereafter. Let it be of a good reward. And I advise all the Muslim Ummah to keep on doing the same thing that has been prescribed by the Muslims. That is mandatory that every Muslim must fast. And we have started already, inshallah.
As one of the 5 pillars of Islam, right?
And one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Thanks for your correction.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Thank you.
My prayer is that I so much thank God for witnessing this year Ramadan. And I pray and beg Him highly to let us see the end happily and then hope to see the next year.
Muslim. Oh, can I go with this Ramadan? Chukwu go come out one cause kuma. Go come out can come more than more. We have a prayer in the can be doing the Bismillah Rahman. Who can come and go to
Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, sister.
Thank you.
Alhamdulillah. I let's go man. I can now I am doing why when you shoot, no more tackle talker. But I know why I complain to the nation. I am lying. The madam will know. I am why I be doing the guy made Happy Ramadan Kareem. Happy Ramadan Kareem.
Happy Ramadan Kareem. Allah, Alhamdulillah. Good. Happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan Mubarak.
Happy Ramadan Kareem.
Happy Ramadan Kareem. Inshallah.
Happy Ramadan. Happy Ramadan Mubarak.
Happy Ramadan
Mubarak.
Ramadan Mubarak.
Happy Ramadan Kareem. I wish all the Muslims worldwide happy Ramadan Kareem.
ربنا أتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب ربنا إنك جامع الناس لا ريب فيه توفنا مسلمين وألهمني بالصالحين اللهم ارزقني بقولي لا إله إلا الله ما شاء.
I know most of you might say that there is nothing like Igbo Muslim. But the truth remains that most of our brothers and sisters are beginning to convert. They are beginning to convert to Islam. I know you might say there are few, there are not many. But remember, Igbos were not Christians before. It was brought to them. From one person, they became two. From two, they became three. Until we get to this point that we are now almost 80% Christians in Igbo land. So when you see these numbers, when you see these people converting to Islam, you are supposed to be worried. This is why I keep on saying this. You see this fight we are fighting against ourselves, it's not going to help us. It's going to destroy us the more. This fight between Ndi and Ndi Christians, it is going to destroy us the more. Because while we are busy fighting ourselves, most of our brothers are beginning to lose interest and faith on these two religions. And that is why most of them are now beginning to switch to Islam. The reasons why these people you are seeing here now are converting is either they are converting because of money. Maybe they are looking for one connection from one allergy or the other. Or maybe because they have lost interest or faith in Christianity and Omenana. And that is why there is a serious need for these two religions I just mentioned now, Christianity and Omenana, to revitalize themselves. If they know all these things that are discouraging people, they should remove it, as they should put it aside and revitalize these two religions to favor the masses. Because many people are beginning to lose interest. And just remember that humans can never do away with religion. It's just like once they are done with one, they will switch to another one. So many people are becoming tired of Christianity and Omenana. And there is a need for these two religions to revitalize themselves. Otherwise, before you will know it, it might surprise you that in years to come, the numbers of Muslims in Igbo land, that is, I mean the numbers of Igbo Muslims, it will shock all of us. And when that will happen, you know what is going to be the result? We are divided now. The division that will happen then will become worst. Now we are two. We have Christians, we have Omenana. Omenana people are disagreeing with Christians. Christians are disagreeing with Omenana. Even some Christians refuse to eat together with Ndi Omenana. Some Ndi Omenana, they detest everything that has to do with Ndi Christians. Now imagine when we now have Ndi Muslim. That means we will now be three, fighting ourselves. Hey, it is better these two religions, Omenana and Christianity, should revitalize themselves now. They should better fix the errors in these two religions. Because many people are beginning to lose faith in these two religions, and that is why you see so many of our people are beginning to convert to Islam.